everyone, and welcome to another VASAviation video, and today I'm happy to present you guys the brand new flight sim product MiniFCU made by MiniCockpit. They sent me one unit a few days ago, finally got time to test it myself, and I'm glad to be making this video for all the flight simmers and enthusiasts of the channel. The quality and detail of the MiniFCU is really awesome. I want to make clear that I am not a real Airbus pilot, but I have enjoyed many hours in professional A320 flight simulators, especially when I did my multi-crew course years ago. And here's a clip that I recorded with my father rolling the knobs in a professional simulator. The feeling of the MiniFCU is impressive, and also the quality and good detail of the LCD screens for the numbers and symbols of the Airbus autopilot. It's not in doubt that it has been designed by real Airbus pilots. The knobs are all push-pull buttons as well for that managed or manual selection of the autopilot. You know that if you're familiar with Airbus. And the expedite button is also customizable to have different assignments. The size of the MiniFCU is 80% the size of the real FCU, which keeps the sensation of working with the real FCU, but also makes it easier to store or transport. Connection to your computer or laptop is as easy as plugging in a USB cable, no external power requested, and no aviation pun intended, and that's it. You have a configuration software, you follow the steps, and you're good to fly. MiniFCU is at a special price during this period of quick release, and I am also working to achieve a discount code for VASAviation followers and subscribers in the future. And about the future, the guys at MiniCockpit are also working on releasing a Mini IFIS and Mini eCam for further display, engine and system controls. Ain't that awesome? Building that affordable homemade Airbus cockpit is closer than ever. Now we can enjoy flying Airbus with a side stick, the pedestal and thrust levers, and the brand new MiniFCU. So get rid of your mouse control, at least for the autopilot, and get your MiniFCU now for an unbeatable price. As soon as you guys get yours, be sure to let me know your opinion. Flight simulation is getting to a real high level. Thank you guys for watching, frequency change approved, and see you in the next video.